Alright guys, in this video I am going to review on OnePlus 10 Pro. So hey guys, I'm Ikhtier and you are watching ARZONE. So if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe this channel first and then watch this one. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's begin to our work. Okay, welcome back to our video guys. OnePlus 10 Pro, its announced date is 11 January 2022 and its release date is 13 January 2022 and it is now available, and its body dimensions is 163 into 73.9 into 8.6 mm and its weight is 201 gram, and you will also find display type LTPO2 fluid AMOLED display, and display size is 6.7 inches, and you will also find resolution 1440 into 3216 pixels, and it is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and its operating system is Android 12. Processor is Qualcomm SM8450 Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and its GPU is Adreno 730, and its memory means its internal storage is 128GB, 256GB and 512GB. Its RAM is 2, and that is 8GB and 12GB. and its front camera you will find 32 megapixel and back camera you will find 48 megapixel, and its battery capacity is 5000 milliampere. Charging is 80 watts fast charging in international, and in North America it is 65 watts fast charging, and colors are volcanic black, emerald forest and panda white, and it's wireless charging. It has first wireless charging also, and that is 50 watts, and its Bluetooth version is 5.2, and its USB type is USB type C 3.1, and its front camera's video resolution is 1080p in 30 fps, and its back camera's video resolution is up to 8K in 24 fps, and others 4K in 30, 60 and 120 fps you can shoot, and 1080p in 30, 60, 240 fps, and auto HDR and different type of quality you can shoot in back camera. So guys, that is the video, that is the specifications of this phone. Please subscribe this channel and turn on the notifications so that you can find these kinds of tech news regularly. So guys, that is the video. Till then, take care and